Hello guys, these are some of these Airboss Sirroco. Yep, that's what it's called, Airboss Sirroco. Okay, so we're making a video with these Airboss Sirroco ceiling fans. Oh, Sirroco, Sirroco. Airboss Sirroco. So got one of 4 blades and got one of 5 blades, so they're really nice fans. Very nice fans, you know. I installed them myself, so we're gonna turn them on. So we're gonna turn this one on low. I'm gonna turn this one on low. Sorry guys, I had to get a drink of my and they're on low. Gotta say, they're really nice fans. They almost look like a Casablanca Olani. Almost. Olani, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'll pronounce it however I want it, so I don't care how it's pronounced. I don't care. But yeah, it's fans made by my friend PeepingKhan. Khan, whatever. I like to pronounce it PeepingKhan. This one is cool too. They did a nice job making them. I think the photo one moves faster because it has less blades, and this one has more blades. Or one more blade. Turn to medium. Now they're on medium now. This one moves faster because it only has 4 blades, but this one moves slower because it only has 5 blades. I know it's kind of funny. But I gotta say, they're really nice fans. Actually, did a good job making them. No, I didn't make them. PeepingKhan made them. So PeepingKhan did a great job making them. So I have to give him credit because he is the best fan maker. The way he makes it, the portraits are just so realistic. It's a realistic look of him. But let's put the fans on high. Now we got the fans going on high. Really cool. Really nice. And here's one over here. This is a good fan hail, you know. Very nice, man. Yeah. Very nice, son. Got a nice looking fan. Okay, let's reverse it, okay? Yeah, let's reverse it. Now I don't really feel air on this fan or these fans because they're going the other direction. So you won't be feeling air on it when it goes the other direction. But let's reverse it back. Now it's on. It's reversed back. I think this fan. I don't know. It's probably a revolving. No, it's not a revolving. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.